Hello, I have a question for you. Which animal has the longest neck in the world? That's right, it's a giraffe. And that is also what we draw today. Let's draw the face first, with the nose and nostrils, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 2 horns.
Wow!
Next thing is the long neck, 4 legs and the body. Some fur on the back. And the tail. Do you remember seeing some spots on the back of the giraffe? They are beautiful, right? That's it. Now let's do all that again. Do you know what does the giraffe eat? They eat green leaves. And they are a super friendly animal. When we are done with drawing, now it's coloring time. Let's put some yellow on most part of the giraffe, like the face and top of the ears, and the neck and the body. So cute! Now let's use some orange for the nose. Also the inside of the ears. And those very special spots on the back. And the tail as well. To continue, I want to use some red on the fur. The horns, and a little bit of fur on the tail, and the feet of the giraffe. And look, we have a very happy giraffe here. I can't wait to put some glitter on. Yellow glitter for the head and the body. Some for the legs.
Wow!
And some red glitter for the horn, and the fur, and the feet, and the tail.
Ooh!
Now some orange glitter to make the spots stand out. And those cute little ears. Now let the magic happen. I'm gonna use my finger to spread the glitter around. Ta-da! I told you it's not so hard to draw a giraffe. See you next time!